Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and localize the option which is called navigation bar. And if we've got the buttons, obviously this is how they will look like. You've got more options here, so you can change the position of the back button and the recents. You can also change the buttons position from the left to the right. It depends how which configuration is more comfortable for you. And here, if you wish to set the gestures, simply tap on swipe gestures, and instead of the 3 buttons you've got this line which is responsible for some actions. Of course, you can tap on more options, and here you can change the gesture sensitivity to be lower, to the lower or higher. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be changed. So in order to get back to the previous page, you have to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center. If you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.